If it's delicious, 0 calorie.
That is
It's
bad.
fat.
What are you getting?
It's a Korean chamchi, the tuna with little cute bowls like this.
Which one are you gonna get? Because there's two different colors, yellow and red. Both? Oh, at least it's on sale.
One for you, one for me. Protein, baby.
That's the face that just bought limited edition.
This one is 고소 참기름 flavor. This one is just regular.
English, please.
Toasty sesame flavor. So it's more oily.
And then the other one is just basic tuna.
Basic. So small. This is a normal size. Look at this. Mommy and baby.
Gosh.
Look at this cute.
I
Oh,
guess.
even has a nutrition. 맛있으면 0 calorie. Protein, baby.
Protein baby. What's this?
This is a toasty sesame oil flavor tuna.
From the can is like that? Oh, pretty good. On its own, it's pretty good.
Yeah, that's my lunch.
It's good.
Very toasty.